Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting and engaging videos. Right, today I come up with one more series, Postman. Right, how to execute API calls in Postman. Right, what is a Postman? First of all, we'll see some introduction to the Postman, then we'll quickly jump into that. Right, Postman is a powerful API platform that simplifies API development, testing, collaboration. Right, it is widely used by QA engineers, developers, DevOps teams to build, test, document, monitor APIs efficiently. Right, by using this tool, right, we can developers can use QA engineers, DevOps team, right, to build document. We can do the documentation, we can monitor the APIs, right, we can all do with this Postman tool. Right, it is a web-based, we have a Postman is a web-based, we can do web-based testing and also desktop tool also. Right, it is available in both the versions, web-based and desktop versions. Right, it is enable us to send HTTP request, right, API calls. There are market and a lot of tools are there, but it is the simple one. Postman, by using we can send the HTTP request and analyze the responses, automate tests, manage collections. Initially developed as a Chrome extension. Right, when they have started, it is developed for only Chrome extension. Now Postman is available as standalone desktop for Windows, Mac, Linux also. Right, why to use Postman? Right, here we no need to write any piece of code, user friendly interface. It support almost get, post, put, delete, patch, all types of HTTP methods. Right, we can write the scripts using JavaScript and share. We can create our APIs and we can share those collections, workspace, mock servers with the team. Right, we can collaboration feature. Right, entire team we can work on the like Git repository, how we will work, same way we can work here also. API monitoring, schedule API tests and monitor performance. Security testing, right, we can test authentication methods like OAuth, JWT, API keys. Environment variables, we can store, right, we can execute our test cases on different environments, we can create multiple environments. Right, mock servers, we can simulate APIs before they actually fully developed, we can also do that. What are the core features of the Postman? Right, request building and testing. Right, basically API means what? We will execute some API, it will give the response whether properly response was coming or not. Right, we have to verify that right, API is working or not. There are get, post, put, delete, we will learn detail later. Set request headers, we can set some of the headers and parameters and body payloads. Save and reuse the API requests in collection. We can save those things in the Postman and reuse those collections. Test automation scripts. Right, we can also use the JavaScript based test scripts. We can validate the response, right, response codes, headers, response body. Right, this is the something sample how to validate the response code. Right, we can create the environment and global variables. Right, sometimes we want to test the same API on different environments. Only, right, what it will change, host name will change, tokens will change, API keys will change. Right, remaining everything will be same. Right, we no need to create a duplicate APIs. We can create only one time, we can create multiple environments, we can set the environment variables, we can switch between the multiple environments easily. Documentation, it will generate the API documentation and we can also use mock servers if any API is not fully implemented. We can API monitoring and collaboration. Right, how to use this Postman. Right, how to use. Right, we can first of all we have to create the account. Go to HTTPS Postman website. We will go to initial. We will go okay, www.postman. We can go to postman.com. We can web version we can use, and we can download on the Mac machine. If you are using Mac, Linux, Windows, it will support all the major 3 OSs. Then we can sign in. First we will sign into the, we will say web version. If we have a Gmail account or GitHub account, we can directly use it. Suppose I am trying to use my Gmail account. If you don't have, create one Gmail account and use it. It is verifying, just wait for it. It's loading our Postman. Just give welcome to Postman, tell us a bit about ourselves. Just I am giving nothing, Postman testing. Just I will give what is our role. You can select what is the role of something I am selecting. You can click on that. It will load the initial view of the, this is the web view. In the browser directly we can log in and we can execute it. We can it will have a different tabs and different panels. We will see all those things. We will see all those things later. Now we will prefer to use the desktop version. That will be very easy. It is also okay, fine, but that will be more useful. It has a free one, licensed one. Both it will have. Licensed one we will get somewhat more features than this one, free one. Then how to download? We will download the just go to Postman, download. We can download the Postman desktop version. Download 64-bit. Okay, it's downloading. If it is our network is very fast, then it will download very fastly. Okay, it's done. Let me, once it is done, okay, just click on it. Just click on it. It will, we can install that. Okay, once downloaded file, you click on it. It will open like this. Just we have to log in with if we have already account, we can log in with it. Otherwise we can continue with the Google. We can use, if we have, I will click on the continue with the Google. It will open the browser. We have to give the username, password. Username and password we have to provide it to log in it. Once we give the username, password, and it will ask for the 2-step verification, you will get in your mobile some pop-up. Just accept it. Accept it, otherwise it should not log in. Just accept it, whatever pop-up is coming in our mobile browser. Okay, open Postman. It is authenticated successfully. Now click on open Postman. It will open the Postman tool. It is taking some time to allow access. Firewall is asking for access. Just allow it. right, it will open the right browser. How we are seeing same way it will also show here. Right, view is there is no different, right, but right, we can maintain here. We can have a home, we can create different workspaces, we will see all those things, and network, and then we can invite to the friends, we can have a settings, right, and then if you want to license one, we can write license one, otherwise we will have a some default licensing. And the right side we can create the environments, right, here we can create the environments also, right. We will see all those things. This is the introduction, just introduction part of the Postman, right. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, right. I started this Postman series. You will get right each day one video. Please go and watch it. If you have any queries and anything, just post in the comment section. I will respond to it. Please share it to your friends and like the video. Thanks for watching.